Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Twitter Things. I hope you all know about Lovable. So, most trending buzz today's everyone is talking about. So, now we are going to see how we can use Lovable at the same time, how we can use the cursor, and just comparing the differences between Lovable and cursor. So, how quite different these two things are, we are going to see in this video. So, we are going to give a sample prompt in Lovable as well as in the cursor. So let's see what how it will give us the output, so how the difference will look like, and we'll know the basic features which Lovable is giving us and then cursor is providing us. So let's see these things in this video. Let's cover all these things in this video. Hope you will find enjoying this video. So yeah, now we are in the Lovable platform, lovable.dev. As you know, here the homepage will look like this. So you can create apps and website by just chatting with AI. So what I can do here is I'm just giving like some text here. Like I want to have like design a modern as well as so what I want actually is a basic thing. So everyone will start with that is login page, right? So let me just go with the login page only to make you understand like how different the outputs from these two AIs like that. So design a modern, colorful login page that I mean just add just some adjectives to get some creativity like that, creativity and warmth. Okay, so this simple prompt I want to give, I want to make it simple, otherwise you can add more details or how you want. So I want to test this with a simple prompt only. So what I have asked is some my bad, design. Okay, so design a modern colorful login page that radiates creativity and warmth. This is the simple prompt I have given to Lovable. So I'm just hitting the enter button. Let me discuss these things later on. Okay, so I'm just hitting enter. So you can see it's redirected to some other page where colorful warmth welcome is there. So this session is started, and it's thinking for to give the response from a chat. So I have given simple prompt, right? It will list out the things like what he will be doing. Like I will create a modern, colorful login page with vibrant radiance and warm creative elements. This feature will be, so these things will be present. So design vision it's giving, and then features. What are the features? With simple prompt, it has magical. What can magical prompt has generated. So with the simple prompt, he that AI has understood the things what to be there in the login page and have created list of all these features, and it's editing the files, everything. You can show here, show all. You can go and check the files also. Otherwise, you can hide. It will do all the editings. Like two editings are made. Now let's me enhance the button component with creative vibrate and create beautiful login page. It's still doing. So it's spinning up. In the meantime, what I want to show you is I am in the cursor now. So in the cursor also I want to give the same prompt. So for your kind information, I have created one login page. So login folder, and then in a login page.html file. So I can give the cursor this page as a reference. You can add the rate is there. Here you can add files and folders and code base and those things and rules you can add here. So I'm giving this page, and I want something in this page. Like I'm adding the same prompt which I have given in the Lovable. Design a modern, colorful login page that radiates creativity and warmth. So I'm just hitting enter here. The same thing which I have done in the Lovable. Just one click. So enter, and it's doing its way. You can hear the sound, right? So that sound come from here. You can see in Lovable. If you see here, see it's done. So now you can save the accounts and connect to other services. So now page is ready. So what's next is you can redefine our master prompt, chat mode, hit GitHub sync, all these things you can do. So if you see, these are the many options this Lovable is providing is you can upgrade to get more credits. Actually, it have 5 credits per day as of now. You can also publish this page. So these are a part. So what you can see here is see this page. So how vibrant and colorful my login page is. See, this is what Lovable can do with a single prompt. So see, welcome, sign in, email. I haven't given all these details. I just told that login page I needed with these vibrant colors, and here is my thing. You can see, and then let me check what cursor has done here. So after in cursor also I have given the same prompt. It has given me the login.html page is updated here. So one thing what we have to do here is we have to accept all. So then that will be accepted and will be available in our page in .html. So now what I want to do is I want to run and see how this page look like. You can see the css is also it's included in the same thing. So that is fine. Also you can separate. I don't want to give one more comment here. I want to complete this only with one comment to compare the differences between Lovable and Cursor. So I'm just opening this particular thing in the reveal in the file for explorer, and then I'm just running this. You can see the login page how I got from cursor. So this is like this. Welcome back. So what I asked is design a modern colorful login page that radiates creativity and warmth. This is what cursor can able to give me for that for my prompt. So the same way you can see how Lovable is giving. So if you see the difference, you can clearly see, right? So this is what I am supposed to tell in this video. The difference between the cursor and Lovable, how it is taking the prompts and thinking. So actually in one point if you say cursor is nothing but it's an AI enhanced IDE that builds on Visual Studio Code for developers. So when it comes to Lovable, it's a non-code and low-code platform that builds full stack apps with just prompts. Okay, so this is what the basic differences is. So how you can choose, like if you choose cursor, when you choose cursor means if you are a developer working on complex projects and want to like AI assistant to take over, like uh, AI assistant will not take over. You are building a so big complex project, then you have to go with a cursor. So otherwise, Lovable when it comes to picture means if you are building a quick MVP or prototype or just prefer describing your idea instead of coding entire coding thing, you can choose Lovable. If you see the pricing thing, free tire, it is also free tire which has 5 credits, right? So limited app generation will be there, and hosting is also limited. Publish you can't do it with less number of credits. Okay, Cursor is also giving like 2000 AI reputations per month. Okay, completions per you can give 2000 things per month. Okay, that's a free tier. When it comes to pro tier, both are same. Both starts at $20 per month. Okay, then we'll have business tier. So more subscriptions will be there. So basically, when it comes to pricing, both are similar, having this free limited things and then pro tier. So how you can choose like both the things means, so one more point I want to add one thing here is you can use both at a time. So how I'm going to explain in this video also. So here you can see sync up your projects in GitHub. So here actually Lovable is providing you to have like a development things for sub, you can see here Subabase and Stripe and Netlify. So GitHub also it's providing. So what you can do is you can push your code to GitHub and then clone that to your local repository and then open that project into Cursor, and then you can do edits. Like you can also use Cursor for your Lovable project. That is great, right? You can add anything and edit anything, and you can again push the same code to your Git repository, and then from that Git repository you can update here in this repo. So that Git repository is nothing but Lovable repository only, right? So that will reflect here. So that's why how you can use Lovable and Cursor at a time. So that will help you to build complex and robust project at a time with a beautiful stunning UI which Lovable able to give with a single prompt. you can alter everything with a just single prompt. See how beautiful the login page is. I'm amazed to see this with a just simple prompt. It has done this much. So unbelievable what a Lovable can able to do. So these are the features which we can have, like when compared to Cursor, more features are for Lovable, because Lovable generates an entire code application from natural language prompts. You are just giving in English thing, right? So no reference codes or no HTML files. You can also give like images references how you want. And you can also test Lovable for your 5 credits a daily, right? You can just clone YouTube clone application or Airbnb clone. It will give stunning results. I have already seen those results. You can also try such giving such prompts to clone complex applications like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube or everything. So generate entire application from natural language prompts is that beautiful the Lovable feature is. So you will have here is a controlled limit, right? You can focus on speed and simplicity. So if you are looking for like user control, you want to control some pages like login page should get such thing. Like if you want to control over code and customization, you have to choose Cursor. So Lovable can not go too high over control over the code or customization kind of thing. So for that purpose you have to choose Cursor. For target audience, you can see Lovable is for only for non-technical users, mainly startups or solo founders will be there now. So this will be helpful for them. If you are a developer and engineers, then you can go with a Cursor to have a customized rules or kind of thing, setup kind of thing. So you can see this is both are given prompts only. It's a normal language only, but if you see code based indexing or multiple things or suggestions, you can give more here with the at the rate. You can see rules or terminals. So docs and gits references suggestions you can give more for Cursor, I think so. So in my opinion, you can give more context aware suggestions or multi file edits like that at a time. You can give like code based indexing you can provide here. Okay. So compared to Lovable, this is the advantages what Cursor have, I assume, right? Okay. So refactoring thing can be done by using Cursor. If you want anything like different views or inline editing or semantic such as you can do here with Cursor very well that thing. So no need of like when you are in Lovable, you are not having like refactoring things, refactoring tools, or no advanced refactoring tools will be there. Basic editing will be done. If you give only uh, change this or that, we can't change the entire thing like that. Next, integrations, as I told, right? Cursor is same as normal application. You can go with a GitHub, a VS Code extensions. You can add Figma plugins. You can do so. In Lovable, we have limited options. Only we go with the Subbase or Netlify or GitHub or Strip. Okay, so this is how the basic differences will be. So I hope you have understood the basic difference between sorry, Lovable and Cursor. So one more thing what we can do is you can just clicking the GitHub thing. You if you are not connected, you can just connect it with login thing, or if you are already connected, your name will be displayed here. You can just go and get that repo, right. So when you are using Cursor, you are not like that. You are not able to go and deploy to GitHub directly. You have to do the manual process or integration through Git. Okay. So one click deployment for webs is available through Lovable, but it is not with the Cursor. You have to do manual thing. So this is what Cursor and Lovable will look like, and you can see the login page which you have created. So this is the what difference between Cursor and Lovable. You can directly see it in the picture. Okay. So yeah, hope you understood how we can use both things at a time to have a robust and complete application with the perfect UI. Then you can choose Lovable to do UI editings, and then for complex things you can do with a Cursor for having more robust solution or complex solution. In here also you can give like more your prompt should be more specific. Okay. If you give your way, like it should be like essay. I have given one line, right, to get this login page. If you assume like if you have given essay, how many features it can add or extract from your prompt. Okay, you should contain it should contain like all the rules if you want, like a project structure how you want, and how you want to store, or what features you want to use redux or redux toolkit or anything, what you want to do. So if you mention more, it will do more a lot for you. So this is what I want to mention here. So you can work at a time with Lovable and Cursor at a time, as I told you, right? Simple solution. You can just go to Git and then get a Git repo and then open that Git repo in your local repository with using Cursor, and then you can do edits for the certain pages. And I can say as you can also do with this login page. I can open this login page here. I hope this video will be lengthy. I will show you the thing in the next video, hopefully. If you are more interacted with this video, I can get more comments, like if you want the tutorial for the how uh, we are we are able to edit this project in Cursor and adding some more features using Cursor. If you want that tutorial, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely happy to do such videos if you are interested. And that's all for this video. Hope you have watched and enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.